SwiftUI's TextField view is very similar to UITextField, although it looks a little bit different by default and relies very heavily on binding to state. To create one, you should pass in the state value it should bind to. For example, this creates a text field bound to a local string, then places a text view below it so it shows the text field's output as you type. At state var name string equals Tim. vstack text field $name text hello string interpolation name. When that's run, you should be able to type into the text field and see a greeting appear directly below. There are two important provisos when working with text fields. First, they don't have a border by default, so you probably won't see anything. You need to tap roughly where it is in order to activate the keyboard. Second, you might find you can't type into the canvas preview of your layout. If you hit that problem, press Command R to build and run your code in the simulator.